Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the incredible world of wellness and nutrition. Today, we have something special lined up for you. A compilation of 10 amazing DIY face masks tailored to various skin types and concerns. Whether you're dealing with oily skin, dry patches, acne, or just want to give your skin a refreshing boost, we've got you covered. So, let's dive into these fantastic homemade remedies that will leave your skin feeling rejuvenated and radiant. Soothing Oatmeal Delight, Sensitive Skin. Indulge your sensitive skin in a luxurious and soothing experience with the Gentle Oatmeal Calming Mask. Crafted specifically for those with delicate skin. This mask offers a transformative skincare ritual that helps alleviate redness and irritation, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Mix 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon of honey. Cleanse your face thoroughly and pat it dry. Apply the mixture evenly onto your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water while gently massaging in circular motions to exfoliate. Pat your skin dry and follow up with your regular moisturizer. Tropical Hydration Mask, Dry Skin. If you're struggling with dry skin, you're well aware of the constant need for proper hydration. The solution might be simpler than you think. A homemade face mask crafted from natural ingredients can provide your skin with the moisture it craves. By combining the richness of a ripe banana, the creamy goodness of avocado, and the soothing properties of yogurt, you can create a nourishing mask that not only hydrates but also imparts a luminous, radiant glow to your complexion. Mash half a ripe banana and a quarter of an avocado until smooth. Add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt and mix well. Cleanse your face and apply the mixture generously. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Rinse off with cool water and gently pat your skin dry. Apply your favorite moisturizer to lock in the hydration. Zesty Citrus Refresher, Dull Skin. Are you tired of looking in the mirror and seeing lackluster, dull skin staring back at you? It's time to invigorate your complexion with a homemade mask that's as refreshing as it is effective. The Zesty Citrus Refresher Mask combines the revitalizing power of orange peel powder, the soothing sweetness of honey, and the brightening zing of lemon juice. This dynamic trio will work in harmony to breathe new life into your skin, leaving it with a radiant and healthy glow. Mix 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply the mask evenly, avoiding the eye area. Allow it to sit for 10-15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water, gently massaging as you go. Follow up with a toner and moisturizer to seal in the freshness. Clay and Tea Tree Magic, Oily, Acne-Prone Skin. Dealing with excess oil and persistent acne can be a frustrating challenge, but fear not. A potent solution might be lying in your kitchen. The bentonite clay and tea tree oil mask is a powerful ally in your quest for clearer, more balanced skin. By harnessing the absorbing prowess of bentonite clay and the antibacterial properties of tea tree oil, you can create a transformative mask that addresses these skin concerns head-on. Mix 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay with a few drops of tea tree oil and enough water to form a smooth paste. Apply the mask to your T-zone or acne-prone areas. Let it dry for about 10-15 minutes, but don't let it crack. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Apply a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. Green Tea Antioxidant Boost, all skin types. In the relentless battle against the effects of environmental stressors on your skin, a simple yet potent remedy can work wonders. The green tea, yogurt, and honey antioxidant mask is a revitalizing concoction that seamlessly combines the antioxidant properties of green tea with the soothing and nourishing qualities of yogurt and honey. Together, these ingredients form a protective shield against the elements while imbuing your skin with moisture and radiance. Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and measure 2 tablespoons. Mix the green tea with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt and 1 teaspoon of honey. Cleanse your face and apply the mask evenly. Relax for 15 minutes. Rinse off with cool water and gently pat dry. Follow with your usual skincare routine. Honey and Turmeric Elixir, Uneven Skin Tone. A radiant and even skin tone is often a coveted goal, and sometimes, nature's simplest treasures hold the key to achieving it. The Honey and Turmeric Skin Toning Elixir is a golden remedy that harnesses the synergy between the antibacterial wonders of honey and the complexion-enhancing qualities of turmeric. By incorporating this elixir into your skincare routine, you're embarking on a journey towards a healthy, balanced, and luminous complexion. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with a pinch of turmeric in a small bowl. Cleanse your face and pat it dry. Apply the mixture evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes. Creamy Cocoa Indulgence, mature skin. As your skin matures, it deserves the utmost care and attention. Enter the luxurious cocoa mask, a delightful blend of decadence and effective skincare. This mask pairs the richness of cocoa powder with the nourishing goodness of mashed banana and the luxurious touch of heavy cream. Together, these ingredients create a pampering treat that not only hydrates and nourishes but also works to enhance skin elasticity and radiance. Combine 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1/2 a mashed banana, and 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. Cleanse your face and pat dry. Apply the mixture in a thick layer to your face and neck. Relax for 15-20 minutes. Gently remove the mask using lukewarm water and a soft cloth. Follow up with a rich anti-aging serum or moisturizer. Exfoliating coffee scrub, clogged pores. If clogged pores are causing you distress, it's time to awaken your skin with a natural remedy that doubles as a revitalizing experience. The exfoliating coffee scrub harnesses the rejuvenating power of coffee grounds and the nourishing touch of coconut oil to create a stimulating exfoliant that not only banishes clogged pores, but also invigorates your complexion by promoting healthy blood circulation. Mix 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds with 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. Apply the mixture to your face, gently massaging in circular motions for about 2 minutes. Leave the mixture on your face for an additional 5 minutes. Rinse off with warm water, ensuring you remove all the coffee grounds. Tone and moisturize your skin to replenish moisture. Papaya Enzyme Exfoliation, dead skin cells. The quest for radiant and rejuvenated skin often leads to nature's treasure trove of remedies. The Papaya Enzyme Exfoliation offers a gentle yet effective solution. By combining the power of ripe papaya and the soothing touch of honey, this enzymatic exfoliator uncovers a fresher, more luminous complexion. The natural enzymes present in papaya delicately slough away dead skin cells, leaving your skin with a youthful glow that's hard to ignore. Mash 1/4 cup of ripe papaya until smooth. Mix in 1 teaspoon of honey. Cleanse your face and pat it dry. Apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. Allow it to sit for 10-15 minutes. Cucumber cooling sensation, sunburn relief. A day spent basking in the sun's warmth can leave your skin with a delightful tan, but sometimes, it brings along a less welcome guest, sunburn. To provide your skin with the tender loving care it deserves, embrace the healing magic of the cucumber cooling sensation. By combining the soothing qualities of cucumber with the calming touch of aloe vera gel, you'll create a cooling remedy that not only relieves sunburn but also nurtures your skin back to health. Blend 1/2 cucumber until smooth. Mix the cucumber puree with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply the mixture to the affected areas and leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Reapply the mask as needed to soothe the sunburned skin. There you have it, 10 incredible DIY face masks tailored to different skin types and concerns. What did you think of the video? Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.